Hello everyone. Last time we implemented login required feature in our e-commerce website while checkout, and now we are going to make customer profile and we are going to make a history page that shows customer previous orders. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I want to make a URL pattern that shows profile, and after that customer login view dot age underscore, sorry, not customer login view, I am copying it, customer profile view dot age underscore view, and I want to name it with customer profile. Okay, so I want to add comma here, and I want to make this view in this page, and let's make it below this. Okay, class customer profile view. I want to inherit template view here. For template view I have to write template name customer profile dot html, and now I want to make HTML page for that, customer profile dot html, and here I want to extend my base page, extends base.html, and now for title, blog title my profile. Okay, and blog, and for content, blog content and blog. Okay, so div.container class, div.row, div.core dash md dash 6, and I want to make it 2 times. Okay, so here detail information, I want to show here a detail information, and I want to show here previous orders. Okay, so let's add our page in our base.html. Okay, so in base.html, whenever users log in, first of all I want to copy the URL, this URL, Control C, Control V, and I want to rename it is at customer, not customer. Okay, what happened? Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay, my profile. Okay, so and customer profile, and I want to add a separator here, and now you can see that there is my profile. If you log into your website, then you can see my profile in here, and here to detail information about your, I want to show the detailed information of the customer here, and I want to show previous orders here. Okay, so let's go to our view, and let's to send data from here we have to use the get context data method here. So dot works, this method will send data to our front end from back end. Okay, so context equals to super dot get context data works, and I want to return context. Okay, then here first of all, to before sending the data we have to be clear that to view this page customer must log in. Okay, so to check the login, I have made some I have written some code in my where checkout view, the dispatch method. I want to copy it because it's same, and let's go to here and let's write this method at first. Okay, so I don't want to redirect to my next URL now, I just want to log in. No, let's redirect them to where my profile. Okay, simply profile. I want to redirect after to profile page after login. Okay, so customer profile, and here if requested user, that this condition should be valid to go to this logic. Okay, so let's fetch customer here. Customer equals to self dot request dot user dot customer, and I want to send that customer as a name customer, which is equal to the customer which is defined here. Okay, so let's go to our home page, and here to show the information, first of all I want to put here HR and p tag. In p tag I want to use span tag here showing name, and here I want to show the value. Okay, customer dot, I think what is the I think full name is the name here. Okay, full name. So let's check what happens. You can see that name is equal to new customer. Also let's copy and paste a name, email. I want to show the email, but I know that email is not here, email is in the user. Okay, so first of all we have to go to customer dot user dot email. Okay, so you can see here email equals to customer dot user dot email. Again let's copy paste email mobile, and customer dot mobile information is with our customer object. Okay, customer, and I want to show username too. Let's copy and paste it and show username here, customer dot user dot username. Okay, so customer dot mobile, mobile spelling is mistake, mobile, and joined on is another field. Okay, joined on, customer dot joined on. So let's check here, some mobile is not shown. Oh, mobile, there is no mobile. Instead of mobile I want to write address here, not address tag, address, address, and customer dot address. Okay, let's check it. All informations are shown, but I want to make these titles a little bit bold. Okay, so I want to give them a class 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, mistake there. 1 2 3 4 5 class font weight bold. Okay, so let's do it, and these are bolds, informations are in normal letter. And now I want to show previous order here. Okay, for previous order, first of all I have to fetch all orders from here. So orders equals to, you should know that we can filter order with the customer. Okay, so here customer dot sorry, not customer dot objects, order dot objects dot filter whose cart underscore whose cart, customer dot objects dot filter whose cart underscore customer, cart underscore customer means we need such type of orders whose cart customer is this customer. Okay, so let's put a customer here and let's send it to our front end. Okay, so orders and whose value is orders. Okay, so let's loop it in our this page. Let's put HR here, and let's show them in table. No, not in table, just in the ul tag. Okay, ul li for, let's put for tag here for ordr in ordrs. I think orders is the variable name. Yes, orders is the variable name here. I should write it same. And for I want to show li tag here, and no, let's make a table here. Okay, it will be easy to show data in the table. T head, tr, ts sn and then ordr id amount or ordered on status. Okay, and in the t body tag I want to use for loop for ord in orders. Okay, and for here, and I want to loop through a tr tag and td here for sn. I can do for loop.counter for order id. I can write ord.id. okay, and for amount order dot, I think total is the amount. So let's write total here, and then I need ordered on is created at field. Okay, created at field, and then what information we need to show is the status means order status. Okay, so let's create another column here, td order status. Okay, let's go to our page and let's do. And the table is ugly. I want to modify it by adding a bootstrap class here, class table table. Okay, so this will make our table a little bit beautiful, and this is not showing well. I want to give the 4 column here and here 8 column. Total should be 12 column. Okay, this is the rule of bootstrap. Bootstrap divides a row into 12 columns. So let's do it. Sn order id should be shown like this, as ordr underscore order id. Okay, this will make it more beautiful, and order in the uppercase, order, and the status is order received and ordered on. This time we can make it like, we can make this time as time since. Okay, time since 2 hours 17 minutes ago, and we can write ago here. So 2 hours 17 minutes ago. This will show the time duration when we ordered the item. And now I want to make the detail page, because it is not showing which items we have ordered. So I want to make a order detail page in customer. Okay, so path profile dash order dash, and I want to place here int colon pk here, and here customer order detail view dot age underscore view name customer order detail. Okay, and to make this view, we go to view our views.py, and we'll use customer. Sorry, we can use detail view here, or we can use, let's use generic view detail view. Let's import it first, and detail view, no, not here. Where is the Django.views.generic? Here is detail, here is view. Okay, detail view, but you don't have to do like this. You don't need detail view to show the detail of the item, but it's generic. Okay, so first of all I want to show with detail view, and if you want to use template view, you can also do it. Detail view needs template name, order, customer order detail.html, and modal, we need modal model is order, and another thing is context object name. This is the customer, this is custom option, custom attribute, and this is optional attribute, not custom. Okay, this is optional attributes through which you can send custom name. Okay, suppose I want to send ord_obj name, and then we can get that order object with this name. So let's make order detail page here, order detail.html, and I think name is customer order detail.html. let's extend base.html, block title, and block content, and block div.container. I'll leave it as it is for now. And also I want to check user must log in to view the order detail. Okay, and user must view to log in the if user must view to login, this logic will work partially, and I'll come here again after some time. So let's go to our order detail page, and not order detail page, let's go to our customer profile page and add a link here. Let's add a tag here, and let's enclose the order ID with this a tag, and here let's put a URL of the order detail, ecom app : what is there, customer order detail. Okay, customer order detail, and for customer order, sorry, URL start. Let's put it here. In customer order detail there is a primary key necessary, so we have to give here ord.id or ord.pk. we can do whatever we want. Okay, so let's go to our page now, and here you can click the link, click this link, and if you click this link you go to the order detail page where order is 7. Okay, so let's show some information here, and div.row div.col-md- not 12, let's make it 8, and then mx-auto class. Okay, so here we have, first of all we want to show the order information and then items. Okay, to show order information we need this ordered by, shipping address, mobile, email, etc information. Okay, so first of all let's show order detail. Okay, order detail, and I want to show the order. Let's copy these patterns. Okay, similar to this pattern. Okay, this pen page font whiteboard, order ID. Okay, order ID, and here order underscore, I want to make hash here, and for this, what is the context object name? The context object name is order underscore object, so we can get our order with this name. Okay, .id. So let's check whether it works or not. Order ID, then it works. Okay, similarly we can show order status here, and status here normally order dot, here we can say write order underscore status, and we have to remove this. Okay, so let's refresh. It's working. Order status is order received. Also what we can do is ordered on, and created it here, and now it is showing time, and in the small bracket we can show the same information we can show the same information here, but with time change filter. Okay, go. So this will show September 3 2020 9:45 am, 2 hours for 25 minutes ago. So other information I want to show is the name of the order. So let's copy and paste it. Order shipping information. To show shipping information, let's go here. To write ord object dot, to show shipping information, I want to show ordered by and the mobile number. Ordered by, and also I want to show shipping info. How it looks. Shipping information, new customer, by new customer, order object dot mobile, and then and shipping customer information. Okay, so shipping address, this is the shipping address, and another thing I want to use here is a username equals to, I don't have to show username because I'm currently logged in, I can see my username anyway. To show shipping address here, I want to give where is shipping address is here, and let's show it with the email address. Okay, order object dot email. Okay, so let's show all the informations here. There is no email. Oh, we have to enclose with 2 curly braces. Okay, and now our order information is shown. Now I want to show items information. Okay, so to show item information, let's make a table here. Now first of all, let's give h4 tag here, ordered items, and let's make table here. And I think I can let's code here from scratch. Okay, trthsn and item quantity rate, I think rate must be upper, then subtotal. Okay, so let's go to our t body and let's add table class here, and I want to show this for cart product. Okay, the looping item is cart product object. You can see that the item is in the cart product, so we have to loop it, loop through it. And how can we get it here? For cp in, how can we get these cart product objects from our order object? So you have to first go to your cart model from the order object. Then while going to cart model, you can get all the cart products related to that cart using reverse relationship. Okay, first, so we can do order obj, our order object name is order obj. From here we can go to cart, that means order, the related cart of the order is achieved, then we get cart object. Then from cart object we have to go to cart product set. Okay, so that cart product underscore set, because they are in many to one relationship. One cart can have many cart products, so according to Django syntax we have to do like this. Okay, dot all, and for let's make tr tag here, then t tag. For sn I need to use for loop dot counter here, and after that I want to show cp.product.title, and also here I want to show id here too. Okay, title may not be enough to product.id. Title may not be enough to show the information, so id is primary key, so we can get any data using that id. cp.product dot no cp.product here, I want to show cp.rate here, then cp.unthui quantity here, and I want to show the subtotal here. Okay, so let's show the information here. You can see that in this order I have Rolex watch, quantity 1 and price is 8. Now I have to show the total price here. For this I want to go out of the for loop and make ts tag here total, and with the call span of 4 and class text dash right. Okay, then another ts tag here to show the total price. Okay, or order object dot total. So you can see here the total price is 57,500, and I want to use res here, and I want to save only here. And another thing I want to do is I want to go to my settings, and in setting in the installed app I want to use humanize. Let's go to humanize. I think Django.contrib.humanize Django. Okay, so let's go Django.contrib.humanize. Let's remove it, let's edit here humanize. Okay, so using this humanize we can use this int comma filter. So let's go to our HTML page and let's load humanize, and here what we can do is no not in customer profile page. Okay, let's go to our customer order detail page and let's load this humanize, and let's say it's here int comma. Okay, so when we do this we can place comma here. Okay, so all of our information is shown now. This is our order. If you want to place link here to go to product detail, you can do it. For example, let's add a tag here and let's enclose the product with this, and whenever user click this, let's visit them to custom detail page. Okay, URL ecom app product detail, I think product detail, and for product detail let's go to our product detail. For product detail I need slug. Okay, let's provide slug here, cp.product.slug. okay, the slug should be of product, not of cp. So cp does not, cart product object do not have slug, so products have slug. And then let's refresh the page, but it's loading in the same page. I want to load it in another tab, so I want to use here target underscore blank. Okay, so if we do this, then it will open in another tab and our order detail page is now showing. It's here. And now if there is a loophole, I want to handle it properly. So let's this is showing our order list. Okay, so let's order some other items. Let's add this TV, go to our cart, let's check out, let's enter our proper information and let's go to our customer page. Now our second order is placed and I want to order them. Okay, let's go to our, where is our customer profile page? This orders. Okay, where is this order coming from? From this customer profile page. So I want to sort them with minus of id, so latest order will be shown in the upper side or first. Okay, so let's go to this order. We can see our order detail. Let's go to this order. We can show our order details. But if someone try to get orders like this, or not this, let's log this customer out. Let's log in another customer one. I want to show a technical flaw here that is not handled yet. Let's go to profile page. There are no orders here, so let's go to place an item in my cart. Let's go to view cart. Let's check out. Let's use a test customer. Let's go to our profile page. You can see that order 9 is placed and we can see the details of this order. But if you go here and type 7 or 8 here, we can see the order details of another customer too. This is the technical flaw, technical loophole. We have to handle it properly. So in the order detail page, this condition, only these conditions are not sufficient, so we need to use other conditions too. If first of all, let's leave it as it is, and I want to show self.object here. Okay, so let's go to refresh our page, and as now attribute self.object. Okay, so here we cannot get self.object, but we can obviously get this id from our view. Okay, so let's get them first, and order underscore id equals to what, self dot quarks. What is the key of the quarks for order detail page? That is pk. Okay, so let's get this pk, and if you are confused, let's print it here. 7, our console should print 7. Okay, if I go to 8, then order 8 should be printed, and if you go to 9, order 9 should be printed. Here you can see order 9. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to restrict the user to view other customers orders. Okay, so let's get order object. Order equals to order dot objects dot get id equals to that order id. Okay, and what should I do is to check whether this customer is the orderer of this page. Okay, so to check this, let's use if statement here. If request.user.customer equals to request.user.customer equals to order dot, because order object has no attribute customer, we have to go to cart object from the order. Okay, so let's go to cart object dot, but in cart object we can see customer. Okay, and in cart object we can see customer. So let's compare them. If these are equal or these are same, we will allow them. If not equal, then we will return redirect to his profile page. Okay, profile. You can also place a URL pattern here, or you can also write the URL name like ecom app colon customer profile. Okay, both things you can do. You can redirect to your URL pattern name or also with the URL pattern. So let's refresh this. It's not the order 9 is of the same customer that I'm logging, but if I want to go to order 8 here, I'll be redirected to my order page. Okay, so let's check it again. If we go to order 7, then we are redirected to our page. Okay, so let's go to another customer. Let's log in with the new customer account, and if we log in with new customer account, let's go to our order detail. Here we can see order 8 detail, here we can see order 7 detail. But if you want to view another customer's order, like I want to try with order 9, then you will be redirected to your profile page. Okay, you cannot see that. If you want to show custom message, you can also show that, but I'm not doing that for now. And this is the customer profile page, okay, where you can see your information. Also I can make the information update page, but I am not doing this in this tutorial session because that is very simple work and I want to focus more on e-commerce functionality here. And in customer profile page there are orders, list of orders with the time, and you can check the order details, and if you want to go which product is this, then it will show you in another link. Okay, and the product detail is shown here. So if you have any confusion for this, you can comment here. And the another section, in another tutorial section, we will cover the admin panel of the website. So thanks for watching.